My name is John Hoke, and I am the Global Vice President of Design at Nike. We're here in Milan at the exhibit, The Nature of Motion. Nike has been here many years looking and observing Salone, and we felt that it might be of interest to not just come and witness, but come and participate. This particular exhibit is a great example of Nike showing how we collaborate with external artists, creatives, and designers that are pushing culture and design forward. We've collaborated with 10 external designers. As you move through the space, you have these different opportunities of seeing each individual designer's expression, of interpreting and abstracting this concept of natural motion, finding those outside people who push us in new ways, and then using our own internal designers. I think together we've created a space that we couldn't have done independently, but got to because these two entities got together. We are displaying the history of Nike Free. And the concept of Nike Free is looking at how we can have the foot move more naturally. It's been a journey we've been on for 15 years, and we are unveiling the latest installment in the Free Revolution shoe, which is this precision engineered upper on this new geometry outsole. We've been working on it for some time. We're thrilled to announce it here. Milan to us offers a unique venue and a stage to have a conversation with people that love design about where we want to take the world of sports go forward. I'm actually sitting in the last room of the exhibit. So what this is it's roughly 30 or so concept cars. They're glimpses from our design team into the future, and they are very conceptual. So the idea is unleashing our designers on creating a new underfoot experience. For us, concept cars are very important because they are the glimpse of where we are taking sports and athletics.